Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to send money from Coinbase to Binance in 2025. So whether you are moving your funds for trading, for staking or lower fees, this is the safest way to transfer your crypto. So first of all, you need to launch your Binance application, or you can also open it on your web browser, basically the Binance website. Then you need to log in into your account if you haven't already. Over here, tap on the option of add funds. Then select the option of on-chain deposit. Now over here, among the given list, you just have to select that particular cryptocurrency which you want to receive. Here you will find almost all of the cryptocurrencies like BTC, Ethereum, USDT. So let's say you want to receive USDT. So after tapping on it, simply select the network on which you want to receive it. Now from Coinbase, you can select the option of BSC, or you can also select the option of Solana, Arbitrum. So after selecting the network, it is going to show you the QR code and the deposit address of the crypto that you have selected. So you just have to copy this information from here, then simply launch your Coinbase application just like so. Over here on the home page itself, you will see the option of transfer. So when you tap on the option of transfer, it is going to ask you to whether you want to send the crypto or receive the crypto. So since we want to transfer our crypto, simply tap on the option of send crypto. Now over here, it is going to show you all of the cryptocurrencies which you need to sell. So here simply select USDT, because in Binance we have selected USDT. After that, you need to provide the address which you copied from Binance. Then you just have to simply enter the amount which you want to transfer. Once this is done, you just have to continue with sending the crypto. Make sure that everything is correct, and once it is done, you will get your crypto in your Binance account. You can come over here anytime in your Binance application. Then when you tap on the option of assets in the bottom right hand corner, you will see all of the cryptocurrencies, including the one which you received from Coinbase. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.